The US has paused student visa appointments and is preparing to ramp up social media checks for all international student applicants. Find out how these changes could reshape international student mobility.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The United States has temporarily halted new student visa interview appointments at its embassies and consulates worldwide, while also preparing to introduce expanded social media vetting for international applicants, a move that could significantly affect immigration and the ability of foreign students to study in the US. According to an official memo issued by the State Department, embassies have been instructed to cancel all unfilled appointments for student and exchange visitor visas until further notice. Applicants with existing appointments will still be processed, but no new interviews are currently being scheduled. The policy shift is part of a broader crackdown by the Trump administration on international students and academic institutions, with implications that go beyond education and directly impact US immigration policy. The memo notes that expanded screening will focus on students' online activity, although it does not clarify specific criteria. The Department of Homeland Security has previously said it may consider anti-Semitic or threatening content on social media grounds for denying visa or immigration benefits. This development is expected to affect thousands of international students, including a significant number from China, India, and other countries with traditionally high rates of US student visa approvals. Immigration experts warn that the policy could create a bottleneck in visa processing, discourage international applicants, and deter global talent from choosing the US as a destination for higher education and future employment. The expanded social media screening further raises concerns about privacy, free speech, and the increasing use of digital footprints in immigration decision-making. Critics argue that it could have a chilling effect on international applicants who fear misinterpretation of online content or political expression. The impact on universities is also likely to be severe. Many top US institutions rely heavily on the tuition revenue and research contributions of international students. For now, international students hoping to study in the US face a growing list of hurdles: paused visa processing, increased surveillance of online activity, and political scrutiny that threatens their ability to access education and immigration opportunities. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.